So now let's ask to ChatGPT what are the popular faceless, YouTube niche ideas. Okay, so you can just type here, give me popular faceless YouTube niche ideas. Okay, so it is very much great because sometimes what happen, we basically uh, don't willing to show our face. So at that time it is very much important to know which are the popular faceless YouTube niche ideas that will going to help us to create some YouTube videos, and we can just upload on YouTube and we can make money with YouTube. Okay, so here you can see that this is the result basically ChatGPT has given me. I can just copy it again, and I can also tell him to give me, let's say, uh, 20 popular faceless YouTube niche ideas. Okay, so here you can see ChatGPT is saying that I'm sorry, but 20 items is too many. Generating a list with too many items may not be helpful to the user. Okay, so but still it has generated some ideas as well. But basically, to the best, it has given you the 10 best, you know popular faceless YouTube niche ideas that you can work on. Okay, so now you can use ChatGPT to find out, very amazing video ideas for your YouTube channel. Okay, so for example, you can just say to ChatGPT, can you please provide me 20 videos idea 20 video ideas on. Then you can just put the quotation, and you can say 10 ways to. Okay, you can put dash dash, again put quotation, and what you can do is that you can just put or you can just click on shift and enter, and you can say my niche is make money, right? And click on enter. Okay, so now ChatGPT will going to give you, 20 best ideas to make money for your YouTube videos. Okay, so you can see that it is saying that you can make money by investing in stocks, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, online survey, freelance work, renting, selling handmade items. So there are plenty of things: starting a blog or YouTube channel, participating in market research, and there are plenty more like selling goods and service and favor, starting a virtual assistant business, starting a cleaning and organization business, selling items on Amazon or eBay, photography. And these are the stuff which ChatGPT is going to give you. Also you can mention for the 30, 40, 100, but you have to make sure that what will be your niche is very much important. For example, I know my niche is make money. Maybe your niche can be let's say related to traveling. Okay, so whatever your niche is, just tell to ChatGPT like this, and it will going to give you ideas for which you can create your YouTube videos. Okay,